Making tacos can be tricky when you can't find Mexican ingredients. Fortunately, these American tacos can be made with just a few easy to find items, including salt, black pepper, oregano, chili flakes, cumin, and smoked paprika. Stir to combine and set aside. Next, grate some sharp cheddar cheese, shred some lettuce, and dice some tomatoes. Once diced, put the tomatoes in a strainer over a bowl to drain. Dice up an onion as fine as you feel like. And smash a clove of garlic. Now, remove those straining tomatoes and add some baking soda to the resulting juice. Add this to your 80-20 ground beef and use your hands to mix it in. Grab your favorite skillet and set this on high heat. I like cast iron. Add your onions and a pinch of salt, and once slightly browned, remove and set aside. Return your pan to the heat and press the beef into the pan like a smash burger. Once moisture appears, flip the beef over to brown the other side. Add your spices, onions, and garlic to the pan. Once the meat is cooked, combined, and broken apart, kill the heat. Warm up your taco shells according to the instructions on the box. Once the shells are ready, grab a shell, add some meat, maybe a little bit more meat, add some of your cheese, and some hot sauce, a little bit of lettuce, maybe some more lettuce, and some tomatoes. Make sure you jam them in there real good like that. Yep, perfect. Take a huge bite. Make sure you spill it all over the place.